How to multiply and divide negative numbers. Negative numbers is one of the foundation everyone should get right in maths. So in this video, I will be showing you how to divide and multiply negative numbers. So let's just get started. Let's work out these numbers. So we have number one says minus 3 times minus 4. So here's the rule. When it comes to negative number, negative times negative equals positive. So positive times positive equals positive. Negative times positive equals negative. Positive times negative equals negative. Did you notice something? When the signs are the same, it gives you a positive sign. So you can see negative and negative gives you a positive sign. Positive and positive gives you a positive sign. Negative and positive is negative. Positive and negative is negative. So when the signs are the same, it gives you a positive sign. When the signs are different, it gives you a negative sign. So with this, let's work out the examples. So for number one says minus 3 times minus 4. So we can see two negative signs, minus 3, minus 4. So when negative multiply negative is positive, right? So, and 3 times 4 is 12. So the answer is plus 12 or 12. And for number two says minus 2 times 4. So let's look at this. This is minus 2. Whenever a number has no sign beside it, that number is a positive number. So this 4 has no sign beside it, so it's positive. Minus 2 times positive 4. So minus 2 and plus 4. Minus times plus is minus because negative times positive is negative, right? 2 times 4 is 8. So this is minus 8. Then the next one, 3 is alone again, no sign beside it. So 3 is a positive number. So we have plus 3. This 3 is a positive. So because it has no sign beside it, it's a positive. So plus 3 minus 2. Plus times minus, which is positive times negative, is negative. Okay? 3 times 2 is 6. So this is negative 6. 2 times negative 5. So 2 has no sign beside it, so it's positive. So positive times negative equals negative. 2 times 5, 10. Okay, next one, we have plus 3 times plus 3. So plus times plus is plus. Negative times positive is positive, right? So when two same signs multiply themselves is positive. 3 times 3 is 9. So this is the rule. This is how you solve or you multiply negative numbers. So let's look at how we divide negative numbers. It's still the same rule, but let's work it out and see how it works. Okay, so these questions, number one says minus 12 divided by minus 3. So the same rule for multiplication still apply. Minus divided by minus, let me write it this way, okay? So minus divided by minus is equals positive. Negative divided by negative is positive. Positive divided by positive is positive. Negative divided by positive is negative. Positive divided by negative is negative. So the same applies to multiplication and division. So let's say minus 12 divided by minus 3. So look, this minus will divide minus, right? So minus and minus are cancelled out. 3, it divides itself, it's 1. 3 divided 12 is 4. So our answer is 4. So next one, minus 8 divided by 2. So there's no negative to divide this negative. So our answer is still negative. 2 divide itself 1. 2 divide 4. 2 divide 8 is 4. For number 3, we have 12 divided by minus 3. So there's no negative to divide this negative. So we still have our negative sign. And 3 divide 3, 1. 3 divide 12, 4. Okay? And the next one, minus 9 divided by minus 3. So minus divide minus, and we're left with no minus. 3 divide 9. 3 divide itself 1. 3 divide 9 is 3. So this is it. And the last one, The last one, 15 divided by minus 5. So there's no minus to divide this minus, so we still have our minus. In 5 divided 5, 1. 5 divided 15, 3. So our answer is minus 3. So this is the rule for multiplication and division of negative numbers. See you in the next video.